Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alka. During this festive time, I am bringing to you one holy and summer special Thandai concentrate or syrup recipe. This is a perfect, healthy, refreshing and tasty drink. However, it has various health benefits like improves digestion, gives instant energy, boosts immunity, relieves constipation, gives refreshing and cooling effect to the body. I have prepared a syrup which can be stored in the refrigerator for about a month. So, friends, let's get started. Take a mixing bowl, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of almonds, 1 tablespoon pistachios, 1 tablespoon cashew nuts, this is optional, 2 tablespoons of melon seeds or magaj, 1 tablespoon of saunf or fennel seeds. This is good for digestion. 1 tablespoon of khaskhas or poppy seeds. 1 tablespoon black pepper. If you are making for kids, you can reduce little bit. Otherwise, you can take up to 2 tablespoon of black pepper and 4 to 5 elaichi or cardamom. This is a good combination of dry nuts and spices, are great immune booster, good for beating summer heat stroke. As you know, cardamom is a natural detoxifier. So I believe this is a perfect summer drink which everyone must try at home. I'll keep it for soaking, so adding some cold water and will keep for soaking for about 6 to 7 hours. If you want to make it early, then you can use hot water and soak it for 4 hours. Mix well and keep it aside. Then I am soaking 2 pinch of saffron strands in water. This is completely optional. Saffron is to add more color and flavor to the thandai. You can also soak it for overnight and make the syrup in the morning. Friends, the mixture is nicely soaked and nuts have become doubled in size. Transfer everything including water to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. I have taken everything from the bowl, nothing to be wasted. Grind it in gaps and add some water if required. I am adding 2 tablespoons gulkand. Alternately, you can use dry rose petals. This will enhance the taste and flavor. Again, I will grind it. Now you can see this is a perfect fine consistency which is required to make the syrup. Let's start making the syrup. Take a large kadhai or pan and then add 1 cup of sugar, about 1.5 cup of water. I will add some more water later if required. Stir it continuously on high flame until sugar melts. We are not making any tar here, just we need to melt the sugar. Once sugar is melted, add the saffron, soaked saffron into it. Adding saffron is to give a nice flavor and texture. Finally adding the paste and mix it well. Stir this mixture occasionally and cook on medium flame until we get a perfect thick syrup consistency. Make sure you take a large pan because it starts rising off towards the end. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. It has started thickening. I will cook for some more time. It is almost done. Dip a spoon and check both sides of the spoon. If you can see spoon has got a thick layer on it, that means that is the time you need to turn off the flame and it is a perfect consistency. Let it cool down completely, then I will prepare the thandai. You can store this syrup in the refrigerator for about a month in a airtight bottle or container. To prepare the thandai, I have taken 2 glasses of chilled milk. I have here used full cream milk. You can take either full cream or normal toned milk as per your taste. I am adding 3 tablespoons of thandai syrup into it. You can take 1 to 2 tablespoons of syrup per glass according to your taste. Mix it well. You can also blend it in a mixing jar. I am again mixing it using a tumbler, which is the traditional way of making thandai. Our super healthy summer drink is ready to be served. I have served with ice cube. There are various ways of having this thandai syrup. You can have as a kulfi, srikhand, ice cream in any form as you like. Add some pistachios. And rose petals for garnishing. I hope you like my recipe. Please try this recipe at home during this holy time and enjoy this super healthy, energetic drink at home with your family and friends. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get notification of new upcoming videos. Do check out my channel for interesting recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Enjoy. Happy Holi to everyone.